The Wicker Man is one of the greatest horror movies of all time. A chilling exploration of an isolated community with a terrible secret. Featuring a stellar cast including Christopher Lee, Edward Woodward, Britt Ekland, and Ingrid Pitt. The Wicker Man has terrified audiences worldwide for 50 years. Author and filmmaker John Walsh tells the story of how this singular and somewhat unlikely folk horror classic came to be. Illustrated with a fascinating behind-the-scenes photography, new interviews, exclusive artwork, and never-before-seen material from the StudioCanal archives. Learn the secret history of Summerisle if you dare. Available from all bookshops.